Hey everyone, if you want to speed up your workflows using AI, Zapier has some really powerful AI features built in. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zapier AI features step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and go to the dashboard. From here, click Create, then choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for Zapier AI or AI by Zapier inside the app selection. You'll see AI tools that can help you generate text, summarize content, or transform data automatically. Now choose the AI action you want to use. For example, you can summarize emails, generate responses, or clean up text before sending it to another app. This is where things get powerful. You simply connect your trigger app, like Gmail or Google Sheets, and then pass the data into the AI step for processing. After that, configure the AI prompt. This means telling the AI what you want it to do, like summarize this message or rewrite this text in a professional tone. So once your prompt is set, test the AI step to see the output. Make sure the result looks correct and matches what you need for your workflow. Finally, connect the AI output to your next action step, like sending an email, updating a spreadsheet, or posting a message in Slack. Then turn your Zap on, and that's it. Yeah, you've successfully used Zapier AI features. Now you can automate smarter workflows and let AI handle repetitive tasks for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.